Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a walk through Cosmo and we're going to find Secret Pizza. Now Secret Pizza is an elusive kind of pizza place that everyone knows about but may not necessarily know how to get there. And one of the biggest things about it is where it is, and people seem to think that you would expect it here in like the food court area, which is on this floor. However, to get to Secret Pizza, you don't go down there. Well, I mean, you can. You got to walk all the way around and then go up the escalators, but you can't do that. There's no point. It's a waste of time. So you come in this way, and as you get to Momofuku, or just before you get to it, you turn left and go up the escalators just here. There's a lot of parts of Cosmo which are very barren and empty, and this floor is one of them. So if you come up here, you know you're going the right way because you'll see these above you. Very nice. And as you come out here, you just need to walk straight ahead past this little seating area here, and next to Blue Ribbon you'll see this little hallway. And if you go down here, you'll see some people at the end. But look at all the artwork on the wall. It's cool. So even at this point, you're still blissfully unaware that this is a pizza place. Around the corner, this is where you get pizza. It's very quiet in here today. Mind you, it's only early afternoon. But yeah, that's how you get Secret Pizza from outside Cosmo. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. So I do like all this artwork. It is very nice.